In a world flooded with content, how do you make yours unforgettable? The secret isn't just in creating more, it's about creating smarter. Enter AI, your new creative partner. Imagine having a tool that doesn't just churn out ideas, but breathes life into them. When your creativity feels stuck, AI sparks fresh concepts that resonate. When trends shift overnight, it keeps you ahead of the curve, showing you what's hot right now. And as your audience evolves, AI helps you craft messages that truly connect. You remain the visionary, while AI handles the heavy lifting, brainstorming, analyzing, and adjusting. This means you can focus on what really matters, your message. Businesses leveraging AI aren't just consistent, they're relevant. Their content doesn't just fill feeds, it speaks to hearts. It's personal, timely, and thoughtful because AI helps them understand what people need before they even ask. That's how awareness grows, not just through visibility but through genuine connection. Are you ready to elevate your content game? With BizBoost, you can combine strategy with innovation, creating a presence that truly stands out. Let's make your message not just seen but felt. So what's holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's start a conversation about how you can harness the power of AI today.